Good morning, children. Hope you are doing well. Today we will be doing chapter 4 Time. This is a clock. A clock tells us the time. You find numbers from 1 to 12 on the face of the clock. There are two hands on the face of the clock. The long hand of the clock is called the minute hand, and short hand is called the hour hand. Let me explain you more about the clock. Now, children, let us learn how to see and tell the time. Okay, this is a model of the clock. Now, here, how many numbers here? 12 numbers are here. Okay, and two hands you are seeing here. One is long and the other one is short. The long hand is the minute hand and the short hand is a hour hand. Okay, so let me show you what's the time here. It is 3 o'clock. Now, how the minute hand moves and how the hour hand moves, please listen carefully and try to understand. Okay, now it is 3 o'clock. The minute hand slowly moves and it comes at 1. See, from one number to the next number, we have 5 minutes. Okay, now the time is 3:05. What is the time here? 5 minutes past 3. Okay, so the minute hand slowly it's moving and it's just coming on 2. So the how many minutes it has passed now? It has passed 10 minutes. From 12 to 1, 5 minutes, and from 1 to 2, more 5 minutes. So it has passed 10 minutes. So we can also say 3:10 or 10 minutes past 3. And the hour hand is also moves, but it moves very, very slow. When the minute hand takes one complete round of the clock, from 12 it starts, and when it reaches at 12, the hour hand is just go from one number to the next number. Got it? It will complete 1 hour. So minute hand it takes 60 minutes to complete 1 hour. So let me show you. This is 3:10. Okay, now the minute hand is moving and it is coming at 3. Now it is on 3 and the hour hand is also moving, but it moves very, very slow, just cross 3. It is 3:15. The time is here 3:15. Now we also say quarter, quarter past 3. We write 3:15 and what do we say? Quarter. This is 15 minutes make one quarter. So quarter past 3. Please remember this. Now the minute hand is coming on 4. That is 20 minutes. 20 minutes it has crossed and the hour hand is also just coming. Okay, not exactly between, just cross 3. Now the time here 3:20. 20 minutes past 3. Understood? Now the minute hand is coming on 5. That is 25 minutes it has passed. The hour hand just moves very slowly. So the time here 3:25. 25 minutes past 3. Okay? Now the hour hand is coming on 6. That is 30 minutes. Half the clock it has crossed. Okay? So 30 minutes past 3. The hour hand is also comes between 3 and 4. Okay? It has also covered the half the distance. It has to just complete from 3 to 4. Now, when the minute hand complete half the clock, the hour hand is also comes between 3 and 4. Here, the time is here 3:30, half past 3. Understood? Now the minute hand is coming on 7. How many minutes? When it comes on 7? 35 minutes past. Okay, 5, 10, 15, it's just coming from here. So after 30, 35 minutes. So the hour hand is also moves very slow. You cannot notice here. Okay. Now the minute hand is coming on 8. That is 40 minutes it has passed. Our hand just moves very, very slow. Okay, now the minute hand is coming on 9. That is 45 minutes it has passed. The hour hand also moves here. It just come near to 4. Not exactly on 4. It just come near to 4. Now you can notice here how many minutes it has passed. 45 minutes. And how many minutes are left to reach to 12? Only 15 minutes left. So when there are 15 minutes left, so what do we say? Quarter to 4. Okay, for 3:45, what do we say? Quarter to 4. 1/4 is left for 4 o'clock. Understood? So please look at this time. It is 3:45, and what do we say? Quarter to 4. Okay, now the minute hand is on 10. That is 15 minutes it has passed. And the hour hand is also just moves very, very slow, just near to 4 is coming. Okay, so 15 minutes past 3. Now the minute hand is on 11. That is 55 minutes it has passed. The hour hand is also moving and coming just near to 4, very near to 4. Okay, now the minute hand is reaching to 12. It has exactly come on 12. Now our hand is also moves very slowly and it has come on 4. That it has completed 1 hour. From 3 o'clock now it is 4 o'clock. So now you have observed, children, the minute hand slowly it's coming from 12. It's crossing 5 minutes and just reaching to 12 again. The hour hand is just going from one number to the next number, from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So you got it? When the minute hand is at 15, it is said 3:15 or quarter to 3. Quarter past 3. What do we say? Quarter past 3. And when the minute hand is on 6, that is 30 minutes past. So what do we say? The time is 3:30 and half past 3. Half the clock. Half past 3. And when the minute hand is on 9, that is 45 minutes past. So what do we say? 1/4 is left. When 1/4 is left for 4 o'clock, we say quarter to 4. And finally, 4 o'clock. Understood? Let us do exercise 1. Write the time as indicated in each clock. See, quarter past 6. I already told you. When it has past 15 minutes, what do we say? Quarter past 6. 6:15. Okay, let us do the next clock. What is the time here? It is not 7 o'clock. It is just 15 minutes left for 7 o'clock. So how do we read the time? 6:45. So right here 6:45 and quarter to 7. 1/4 is left for 7 o'clock. Understood? So when the minute hand is on 9, 45 minutes, 6:45. So how do we say? Quarter to 7. Now look here. The hour hand is between 10 and 11 and the minute hand is on 6. So what's the time here? This is 10:30. 10:30. And how do we say? Half past 10. Half past 10. Now, same here. This is 4:30. And how do we say? Half past 4. Got it? Now the minute hand is on 9. It means 45 minutes past. And the hour hand is just near to 12. So this is 11:45. 11:45. And how do we say quarter to 12? One quarter is left for 12 o'clock. So quarter to 12. Now this is 10:15. When the minute hand is on 3, how many minutes it has passed? 15 minutes. So the hour hand is on 10. Just moves. So the time is 10:15. And how do we say? Quarter past 10. Quarter past 10. Understood? Now let us draw the hands of the clock to show the given time. This is 4:15. So how can we draw the time? First we will do the minute hand is exactly on 3, that is 15 minutes. And our hand just very, not exactly on 4, just moves. Okay? Moves from 4. Okay, this is 4:15. Now 8:30. So draw the minute hand on 6. That is 30 minutes past. And where will be the hour hand? 8:30 means when half the clock is passed, when the minute hand has crossed half the clock, the hour hand is also moved from one number to the other. So 8:30 means the hour hand between 8 and 9. So here it will be exactly between 8 and 9. Understood? Now here 2:45. So 45 means the minute hand is on 9 and 2. The hour hand crosses it will be just near to 3. Here it can be, not between. Okay, when it comes between, when the minute hand reaches half the clock, then it can be between both the numbers. Now it is just near to 3 because it has crossed almost 3 quarters. Only 1 quarter is left. So when 1 quarter is left, the hour hand is also comes exactly on 3. So it's just near to 3. This is 2:45. So can you draw the hands for the other clocks? So please do it. This is your homework. Very carefully you draw the hands. Thank you. We will meet in our next class.